Namaste guys, Rajesh here for Namaste Tech, and in this video, I'm going to do a speed test, multitasking, and NAND storage comparison between the OnePlus 3T and the Moto G5 Plus. Now before you dismiss this video, hear me out on why I'm doing this comparison. The OnePlus 3T literally costs double of what the Moto G5 does. But there's a reason as to why I'm doing this speed test. The G5 Plus and the 3T both run on a near stock build of Android Nougat. So it will be interesting to see just how much of a difference the faster hardware on the OnePlus 3T makes while loading heavy applications and games. Before heading for our speed test, let's have a quick look at the specifications of both handsets. The Moto G5 Plus features an octa-core Snapdragon 625 chipset that is clocked at 2 GHz, and for this video, I'm using the 4GB RAM 32GB variant of the device. As for the OnePlus 3T, it comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 821 chipset that is clocked at 2.35 GHz and sports a staggering 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space. Now, it's time for a speed test in which we'll be opening 8 sets of applications on both these phones. The result of this speed test surprised me and is going to surprise you as well. The OnePlus 3T opened the 8 set of applications in 41 seconds, while the Moto G5 Plus was just a wee bit slower at 43 seconds. A difference of 2 seconds that is barely going to be noticeable in regular use. I redid the speed tests multiple times and the results were the same. A further proof of that is that by loading applications from the RAM of the phone during the second round of our speed test, the Moto G5 Plus took 15 seconds while the OnePlus 3T took almost 15 seconds, which means that there was essentially a difference of 1 second between the two devices. This clearly shows that despite the OnePlus 3T coming with more powerful internals, the Moto G5 Plus can easily hold its own against it. In our NAND storage comparison, the faster NAND of the OnePlus 3T really flexed its muscles and pulled ahead of the G5 Plus by a huge margin in the sequential read, write, and the random read and write benchmarks. In the sequential read and write benchmarks, the OnePlus 3T was almost 50% faster, while in the random read benchmarks, it was almost 3 times faster. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope the result of this speed test surprised you as much as they did to me. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that like button below if you have not already done so.